RentTrack is a popular property management tool, but before you invest in it, there are 12 important things you need to know. Stay with me because knowing these points could save you time, money, and potential headaches. First, RentTrack allows tenants to pay rent online and automatically reports payments to credit bureaus, helping tenants build credit. This feature is great for attracting credit-conscious renters, but competitors like Buildium and Appfolio also offer robust rent payment systems without the additional credit reporting fees. Next, RentTrack integrates well with other property management software. However, its functionality heavily depends on the platform you're already using. If you're starting fresh, some competitors offer all-in-one solutions that eliminate the need for third-party integrations altogether. The third thing you should know is that RentTrack is designed more for property managers who want to streamline rent collection rather than providing a full suite of property management tools. If you need a solution for maintenance requests, tenant screening, or lease management, other platforms like Tenant Cloud might be better suited for your needs. Another key point is pricing. RentTrack's cost structure varies depending on the number of units you manage. While it can be cost-effective for smaller portfolios, larger property managers might find platforms like Appfolio more scalable and affordable in the long term. Fifth, RentTrack's user interface is simple and easy to use, but simplicity comes at a cost. Some features are less customizable compared to alternatives like Propertyware, which offers a highly flexible interface tailored to different types of property managers. The sixth thing to consider is tenant adoption. RentTrack relies on tenants to set up their accounts and participate actively. If your renters are less tech savvy or hesitant to use online platforms, this could become a challenge. Competitors like Pay Your Rent offer easier onboarding for tenants. Another important factor is RentTrack's mobile experience. While it works on mobile devices, it lacks a dedicated app. Platforms like Appfolio and Buildium have mobile apps that provide a smoother experience for both property managers and tenants. Eighth, customer support. RentTrack offers email and phone support, but reviews suggest response times can be inconsistent. If timely support is a priority, platforms like Buildium might offer better service. Ninth, security. RentTrack prioritizes data protection with encryption and compliance standards. While this is reassuring, it's worth noting that nearly all reputable competitors offer similar security measures, so it's not a standout feature. Next, reporting tools. RentTrack provides basic reporting for rent payments, but it falls short in offering in-depth analytics that some competitors like Propertyware excel at. If you rely heavily on data to make decisions, this might be a limitation. The 11th thing is the onboarding process. RentTrack is relatively easy to set up, but if you're managing a large portfolio, you might find competitors like Appfolio more equipped with tools and support for migrating data and onboarding staff. Finally, RentTrack focuses mainly on rent payments and credit reporting. While this is useful for certain property managers, competitors like Buildium and Appfolio provide a more holistic approach to property management, combining rent collection with marketing, maintenance tracking, and more. RentTrack is a solid choice for basic rent collection and credit reporting. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive property management solution, check out our recommended platform. It offers a free trial and could be a better fit for your needs.